Good morning and welcome. I am doing a 5-cup flip today. So you'll see me just load my little cups into the, load the paint into the cups. I'm going AWOL here and just do the most gorgeous flip cup pour. So it's back to basic flip cup pour, but with 5 flip cups. So we're going to see the lovely results. I'm just loading mostly primary colours with the yellow, red, white, blue, and I think I do add a green there. I'm not 100% certain now because I'm doing a voiceover, because again it was so pouring with rain outside I couldn't even hear myself think. So I had to record later over the video. But anyhow, I will let you have a look at what I do and I will jump in where I feel I need to. So as you can see, I am just doing those flips. When you get it kind of down pat that you can do it without really worrying that you're going to flick the paint everywhere, it's quite an easy little task. So what I'm doing is I'm filling in with, it's a kind of a black navy. It was navy, but it looks very black. I'm filling in the gaps to give it a bit of demarcation line, and so the colours don't actually all gel over one another. And I think this will give it a really good effect. So as you can see, look at those colours that are coming out, and they're already getting the lovely juicy cells in there. Not that I particularly wanted cells in this pour, but there you go, it's going to happen. So I'm just going to do this and then I will gently tilt. Wowzers, I am so happy with that. It's been a long time since I just did flip cup and tilt. You get a completely different result than if you're swiping or blowing. It's a complete abstract and I'm actually loving this. It's gorgeous. I love the colours that come out. So I will get down and give you a close-up of this, but very, very pleased with it, so I hope you like it too.